Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful artistic ideas of creativity and X-Mix craft. For this season, this upcoming season, these festivals are very amazing and bring to joy, happiness in your life. So this season brings joy, happiness and also crafting. Crafting is more than just fun, it's a creativity, release your mindset, release your very beautiful things. So in this video we going to show you very amazing and beautiful designs, very amazing ideas. Craft with made of wooden sticks, stars, ornaments, beautiful and amazing things. We are giving you the most beneficial and most beautiful ideas of this, most beautiful creativity, and these are very beautiful trees and ornaments ideas. Hope you like the all ideas and designs. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope you like these designs and beautiful ornaments ideas. Thank you. Stay blessed. Video watch till the end. These are very impressive and beautiful things. You can do it on this season. You can very beautiful, amazing and gorgeous designs. So watch till the end. Of lights, laughter and decoration that will fill our homes with joy. But have you ever thought about the benefits of making your own X-Mix decorations? Crafting ornaments, wreath and festive decor, crafting things, soft ornaments isn't just about saving money, it's about creating memories, boosting creativity and spreading happiness. One of the biggest benefits of X-Mix crafting is the time you get to spend with family and friends. Imagine sitting around the table with your sibling or parents, making handmade ornaments together. Every glittery star, felt reindeer or paper snowflakes becomes a symbol of love and connection. These are the kinds of memories children carry with them for a lifetime. Crafting is also a wonderful stress reliever. The holiday can be busy and overwhelming, but when you sit down to cut, paint, glue, or stitch, your mind slows down. Or it's almost like meditation. Crafting brings mindfulness into your day, helping your focus on the present moment and enjoy the season more fully. X-Mix crafting gives you the chance to express your creativity instead of store-bought decoration. You can design something that reflects your personality and style, from rustic jute ornaments to soft felt decorations. Every handmade piece carries your unique touch. It's your chance to say, "This is my X-Mix spirit, created by me." Another benefit is how cost effective and eco-friendly it can be. Instead of spending a lot on inexpensive store decoration, you can recycle material you already have, like jars, cardboard, fabrics, scraps, or even fallen pine cones. This not only saves money but it also helps the planet by reducing waste. And let's not forget, the crafts you make can also become thoughtful gifts. A handmade ornament or a DIY X-Mix candle is not much more meaningful than a store-bought them. It shows effort, care and love, and people treasure those kinds of gifts forever. Hope you enjoy these designs and ideas, and we will try to bring that amazing, unique and creative collection for everyone who wants to do craft. So these crafting ideas is really beneficial for you, and we will try to upload the much and beautiful designs for everyone. So whether you are cutting paper, snowflakes, sewing felt garments, or making a rustic wreath, remember, you are not just decorating your home, you are creating joy, mindfulness, memories and love. This holiday season, let crafting be your way of spreading cheers. one handmade decoration at a time. Thank you for watching. We are trying to give very amazing and unique designs for everyone who wants to watch, who wants to create something different, something crafty, something unique. And may your this season fulfill with your home with crafty happiness, beauty, prosperity, beauty of love. Happy crafting and happy festival. This festival brings to you the world of a magical crafty world. There you can make many things from your mind and heart. So these crafty channels is for you, and don't forget to subscribe. And we really want to thanks who is commenting on so beautiful comments on my channel. So leave your thinking, leave your comment in this video, leave your comment below the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We will try to bring that amazing and unique designs for everyone who wants to do something different and unique. Have a very nice day and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. We are trying to bring that much beautiful designs for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for everyone who is commenting, who is watching this. May this season your home fulfilled with love, happiness, beauty, so much care, so much happiness. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care.